So the RTX 4070 launched today, but you probably shouldn't get it. Why? Because it's a bad deal. For around the same price in the used market, you can get an RTX 3080, which on average is similar in performance, obviously depending on gaming settings. The only real upside you might see over the 3080 is the amount of VRAM. On the 3080 it has 8GB VRAM, where the 4070 has 12. So obviously you might see an increase in FPS when it comes to VRAM limitations, especially in 4K if this card can even run 4K. But even at that, on the AMD side of things, there's a 6800 XT, which is around the same price, and comes with 16GB RAM, which is 4 more gigabytes, and then like the same performance. Obviously, ray tracing on AMD cards is less than on NVIDIA cards. NVIDIA's always been better at ray tracing. But let's be honest, who actually uses ray tracing? It's basically like fancy lights and reflections for less performance. If you're getting this card, then you probably shouldn't. You probably should get the other cheaper, if not similar performance on average cards, like the RTX 3080 or 6800 XT. Because this card just isn't good for €600 price range. If this card even MSRP for €600, it probably isn't. It's going to probably reach like €650 to €700. At that price point, getting this card just is not worth it. You're better off waiting for like the 3060, or I think it's going to be a 4050. Maybe the price performance range could be better. But even at that, there's still the 7600 from AMD, which could compete with those cards and be cheaper.